In the heart of Shepparton, Mooroopna, a revolution in urban mobility is on the horizon. Introducing Rivercity E-Scooter, your eco-friendly, efficient, and innovative transportation solution. With a mission to transform urban mobility, Rivercity E-Scooter is not just a service, it's a commitment to sustainable living, offering a greener alternative for our daily commutes. Imagine cruising through the vibrant streets of Shepparton, Mooroopna, experiencing the city like never before. Whether you're a commuter, a student, or a tourist, our e-scooters provide a fun, accessible, and convenient way to explore and connect. Through cutting-edge technology, we offer ease and accessibility at your fingertips. Rent, ride, and relish the freedom of e-mobility, all while contributing to a cleaner, more sustainable future. Our commitment extends beyond transportation. We're dedicated to fostering business development, supporting local economy, and pioneering innovation that benefits everyone in Shepparton, Mooroopna. I'm Ashley Garner, and I stand with Rivercity E-Scooter, not just as a service provider but as a community partner. Together, we're offering a partnership to the Council of the Greater City of Shepparton. A partnership that promises growth, sustainability, and a shared vision for a brighter future. Join us on this journey. Embrace the change. Be a part of the movement that drives Shepparton Mooroopna forward. With Rivercity E-Scooter, the future is not just bright, it's electric. Rivercity E-Scooter, powering your journey, empowering our community.